Every time I come in the kitchen, this bird comes down here, stares in the window. See all the dirty marks on there? He kept pecking the window. What are you doing, buddy? You're gonna wait a long time to get a girlfriend. You keep doing that. You're even watching me, aren't you? What are you doing? Just sits there and looks at me. Look at how he's got my window all dirty. You got something in your mouth? Oh, Cody. There he comes. Look, he's trying to feed me. Looks like he's got a bug in his mouth. I bet he thinks this is his family. You got a bug in your mouth? I don't eat bugs, buddy. Sorry. Shut up, Cody. Yep, he's trying to feed me. Don't eat bugs. Now when I go upstairs, he goes up to the bedroom window. What are you thinking, buddy? You got issues? Stay back. I'm trying to get closer. I'm almost to the window. Yep, I guess he's got a bug in his mouth. Oh, gross. It's a grub. Nasty. Oh. You can't feed the window bugs. Wonder if he's lost his family and he's just a little out there trying to feed the window. Where'd he go? Oh God, I bet he went running upstairs. Well, not running. I'll do the running. And he flew upstairs. Yep. There he is. Got the same bug in his mouth. Hey, Scott, that bird's upstairs now.
Is he following you?
Yeah.
Why is he doing that?
He's got a bug in his mouth trying to feed the window a bug.
Trying to give you a bug.
I left the kitchen and come upstairs when he left. And sure enough, he comes up here and looks in the window. Same bird. I've never heard of a peeping bird. Now you got an ear of corn. You've been in a chicken coop, ain't you? You can't feed us, buddy. You stay out of my chicken coop getting the corn. You better go find you a girlfriend and quit pecking on the window. I'm gonna see if I can reach out and touch him. Hey, little bird.